subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated with my latest videos. Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get more space out of your hard disk easily. Let's start off by downloading a software called CCleaner. Head over to your browser and type CCleaner. Download it from their official website. I already have it downloaded, so I proceed with installing it. After it is done installing, launch the application. You can see a list of browsers and softwares whose temporary files will be cleared. Untick the browser which you use, as it will wipe off the browsing history. After you've done that, proceed by clicking the Analyze button. Let it do its job. After it is done, click the Clean button to start the cleaning process. Whoa, as you can see, it has cleared quite a good amount of junk from my computer. Since I use this software regularly, the amount of junk is less. If you've never used this software before, you can get gigabytes worth of free space. This software also helps you clear up the invalid entries from your registry, so you could do that as well. After everything is done, close the software and press CTRL+R to open up the run window. Type in %temp% and hit enter. This should open a folder full of temporary files. These are not important files and are generated automatically by softwares in your computer. They can be deleted permanently and that'll free up some space too. So proceed with deleting all the files out here. If some files aren't getting deleted, just skip them as they might be in use at the moment. You can delete them later. That's it. Now you should have got a good amount of free space and a snappier PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.